Just keeping the galaxy safe. Don't worry, Speedy. No quake is too big for my fault-filling lantern ray, anti-flambe ray, rain, go array. Being an intergalactic superhero is exhausting.
You can say that again, Lanterman.
If only there were a way to teach the galaxy to prepare for danger before it happens.
Wait a minute. Do you hear that? No alerts, no emergencies.
Do we get the afternoon off?
Great galaxies. That means I can watch my favorite game show. Wheel of Jeopardy! Wanna watch with me?
Actually, you've just given me an idea. Wheel of Jeopardy is the most popular game show in the galaxy. What better way to reach billions and teach them about emergency preparedness? Let's go! To Saturn, then the...
Lanterman, wait! Earth is a Class 5 planet. You'll need to blend in.
Roger that. Activate disguise ray.
Welcome to Wheel of Jeopardy! With your host, Pat Playbak.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, he's even better looking in person!
Let's meet our contestants. We've got the Sunnytown Regional Center All-Stars. Vinny, Nova, Danny, and Venus. Facing off against the sensational Sundays, Baskin Robbins, Pierre, Betsy, and... Janet? Okay. Welcome all. Today's theme is... Emergency Preparedness. Give her a spin.
Emergency Essentials.
Name 5 emergency items licensed residences are required to have on hand. Nova.
Emergency food and water supplies, first aid kits, emergency lighting, evacuation plans, and a list of emergency contact numbers.
You are correct. Give her a spin.
At the hospital.
When should someone go directly to a hospital instead of an evacuation center? A, when they don't want to be around strangers. B, when they rely on life-sustaining medical equipment that cannot be transported. Or C, when the evacuation center doesn't have green M&Ms. Baskin Robbins?
Although a travesty, the lack of green M&Ms should not prevent one from going to an evacuation center. So I'll say B, when they rely on life-sustaining medical equipment that cannot be transported. Final answer.
Correct! The competition's heating up. Which team will win? True or false? The regional center provides go-bag kits to people who live independently.
I don't know. True?
Correct! How many regional centers have emergency response coordinators?
I got this. 6. I don't got this.
Time's up. The answer is all of them. True or false? In the event of an emergency, you should call the regional center.
Like totally false. Regional centers aren't first responders. For real emergencies, call 911.
Yes! Next question. What system does the regional center use to map disaster areas during a crisis? Oh, so sorry. The answer is Everbridge. Everbridge. That sound means we are at our final question. We've got a tiebreaker, folks. The question is, what is the most important thing to remember in an emergency? Danny?
To be prepared.
Correct! The winners are the Sunnytown All-Stars.
Yeah!
All right.
Tell them what they've won.
You've won your very own Wheel of Jeopardy home game and a go bag. For those living independently and receiving services, call your coordinator for one of your own.
Another successful mission. Thanks to you, viewers learned 5 essential items licensed residences are required to provide. When to go directly to a hospital instead of an evacuation center. Who to call if you have an emergency. The name of the system used to map disaster areas.
And, of course, the importance of being prepared. Remember, Capeless Heroes, we're all in this together. Prepare today for a safe tomorrow. Until next time, to Saturn, then the stars!